about the concept.
Time is running out, and I know I can't give up now. No, I'll never, ever, never give up. No, I'll never, ever, never stop. Keep on pressing forward. Keep on pressing forward. Keep on pressing forward. Keep on pressing forward.
Can you just wait a minute, bring it back this one more time? Can I just say that shit that's been up on my mind? You see the times are decent and I've been doing fine, and some people are so ignorant, I swear it should be a crime. But I've been doing me and I've been getting mine. All I need is my team and to me the dime. See, I'ma try to run it and do it in my prime, killing every single beat and every motherfucking line. Friends saying do it, it's feeling like a sign. I know I gotta speak real and say what's on my mind. I'm just trying to get my mama off this poverty along with all my friends. If I left you out, apologies. Yeah, and just know it's what I gotta be. Sorry, mama, college got to wait up on my scholarship. See, look, ma, no hands, I gotta show her. Forget moving backwards, I gotta move forward.
Time is running out, and I know I can't give up now. No, I'll never, ever, never give up. No, I'll never, ever, never stop. Keep on pressing forward. Keep on pressing forward. Keep on pressing forward. Keep on pressing forward.
Times are the essence, but that ain't what I have. Dreams are right in front of me, should I go and grab them? And in them I'm hearing songs that I ain't heard before. Understand my dreams are the reason that I do it for. And ordinarily, damn, I'm not one to brag. I guess I'm being grateful of everything I have, doing everything in